Hi there, students. Seemly and unseemly. Now be careful, because both of these verbs are adjectives. They're not adverbs. In a seemly way, adverb. In an unseemly way, adverb. Okay, if something is seemly, it's polite, it's suitable socially. Something that's unseemly is not seemly, it's not polite, yeah, it's indecent, it's indecorous, it's unbecoming, yeah. So I need seemly behaviour from you at this funeral, yeah. Don't act in an unseemly way. Behaviour unseemly to a gentleman, unbefitting to a gentleman. So seemly, conforming to standards of conduct, to good taste. He told some rather unseemly jokes, yeah, not proper, not fitting, not appropriate, yeah, unseemly, not in accordance with accepted standards of decency and morality, not suitable to the circumstances, inappropriate. Yeah, he took an unseemly amount of time to reply to my letter. You can also use unseemly, meaning unattractive, rather unsightly. So there was, they built an unseemly tower block amongst these beautiful Victorian houses. Yeah, the concrete wall was unseemly if you looked at the general way the place looked. So unseemly, improper, indelicate, indecent, not right. Yeah. In a time where the company is cutting workers' wages, it would be unseemly for the boss to receive a pay increase. I think unseemly is probably much more common than seemly, but seemly meaning suitable, reasonable. This was a serious situation, but the couple were having an unseemly argument, not suitable for the time or for the place. Yeah? Seemly. You could probably use it as an adverb as well. He behaved unseemly. I would prefer in an unseemly way. Okay, so seemly, behaviour or clothes or actions that are appropriate in the circumstance. Yeah. In the past, it was thought unseemly that women should have their own opinions. Now it's unseemly to think that they shouldn't. Okay, so unseemly behaviour, it's disapproving. You disapprove of it because it's impolite. It's just not suitable for the situation. Yeah? Posh British families usually have a nanny because they find children rather unseemly. Yeah, they're rather indecorous. They don't keep quiet. Yeah? This was a very unseemly act. I think the Prime Minister having parties during lockdown was extremely unseemly for the position of a Prime Minister. Okay, so formality, seemly. This is formal. I think seemly probably slightly more formal than unseemly. Seemly, I'm going to give it a 6.5 to 7 in formality. I think a 7. Unseemly, 6.5. Informally, inappropriate, yeah, or appropriate, fitting, not fitting. I would say use them both in a semi-formal writing or a semi-formal or in a formal writing. Could you use them in a semi-formal conversation? Maybe just, but they're probably a little bit old-fashioned and a little bit formal for that. And then as to origin, well, these come from the word seem, to appear, to outwardly look at, like, to appear at, which this word seem comes from Old Norse soema, to conform to befit, from Proto-Germanic somajana, to unite or to fit together, from Proto-Indo-European sem, whole or one, so to fit together. So I hope this has been a seemly explanation for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, which would be a seemly thing to do. Subscribe to my channel, which would also be seemly, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Seemly and unseemly.